In a significant escalation of tensions, India has launched missile strikes into Pakistan, marking a critical juncture in the long-standing conflict between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. This video delves into the details of Operation Sindoor, the events leading up to it and the potential implications for regional stability. On April 22, 2025, a devastating attack in Pahalgam, Indian-administered Kashmir, resulted in the deaths of 26 civilians, predominantly Hindu tourists. The Resistance Front, an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Taiba, claimed responsibility. India accused Pakistan of supporting the attackers, an allegation Islamabad firmly denied. In retaliation, India initiated Operation Sindoor on May 6, 2025, targeting 9 sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-administered Kashmir. The Indian government stated that these strikes aim to dismantle terrorist infrastructure responsible for planning attacks against India. The operation was described as focused, measured, and non-escalatory, with no Pakistani military facilities targeted. Pakistan condemned the strikes, reporting that missiles hit areas including Kotli Muzaffarabad and Bahawalpur, resulting in civilian casualties including the death of a child. The Pakistani military vowed to respond at a time and place of its choosing, labeling the attacks as a heinous provocation. The international community expressed deep concern over the escalation. The United Nations and various countries urged both India and Pakistan to exercise restraint and engage in dialogue to prevent further deterioration of the situation. The recent developments have heightened fears of a broader conflict between India and Pakistan. Both nations possess significant military capabilities, including nuclear arsenals, raising the stakes of any further confrontation. The situation remains volatile, with the potential for significant regional and global implications. As tensions continue to rise, the world watches closely, hoping for a peaceful resolution. The path forward requires careful diplomacy, mutual understanding, and a commitment to peace from all parties involved.